Example on lecture number 58. The general term of the sequence or the function for the calculation of a sequence is denoted by f of n, and it is also denoted by a subscript of n. Suppose the general term of the sequence is 1 when n, the value of the sequence n is equal to 1 when n is an odd natural number, and the value of the function f of n is calculated from n divided by n plus 2 when n is an even natural number. Calculate the sequence from the given function. So at a point, the domain set of the function, the domain set for the function is equal to the set of natural number. Therefore, at a point 1, the 1 is an odd number. At a point 1, the value of the function is defined, which is equal to 1. At a point 2, the value 2 is an even number. Therefore, the value of the function is at a point 2 is calculated from n divided by n plus 2, which is equal to 2 divided by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 1 over 2. And 3 is also an odd number. Therefore, the value of the function at a point 3 is defined, which is equal to 1. And at a point 4, 4 is an even number. Therefore, the value of the function at a point 4 is calculated from n divided by n plus 2, which is equal to 4. F of 4 is equal to 4 divided by 4 plus 2, which is equal to 2 divided by 3. At a point 5, the 5 is an odd number. The value of the function at a point 5 is defined, which is equal to 1. And at a point 6, the 6 is an even natural number. Therefore, the value of the function at point 6 is calculated from n divided by n plus 2, which is equal to 3 divided by 4, and so on. Therefore, the term of the sequence calculated from the function f of n is equal to 1 when n is an odd natural number, and n divided by n plus 2 when n is an even natural number. Are at a point 1, the value of the function is 1. At a point 2, the value of the function is 1 over 2. At a point 3, the value of the function is 1. At a point 4, the value of the function is 2 divided by 3. At a point 5, the value of the function is 1. At a point 6, the value of the function is 3 divided by 4, and so on. This is a sequence calculated from by above function.